Okay, this is the first in a series of videos which is going to detail how we manage student workflow in our classrooms using their Google Drive accounts. By managing the workflow, I mean how do we share assignments with students, how do students share assignments back with us, and how do we keep it in an organized manner to where it doesn't become too hectic for both the student and also the teacher who's responsible for over 150 students. I'm currently in what I would call my teacher Google Drive. So actually the first thing we do is from a student's perspective, and this is something we walk them through. And so I'm going to open up what I'm calling my student Google Drive account. You can see this resembles a brand new Google Drive account just opened up. So we don't have anything in it. The first thing we do with our students is have them create a folder. The reason we have them do a folder is because this is going to house all the things they are going to be sharing with us. And you'll notice I used a certain syntax in labeling the folder. For me, the easiest thing to do is always label the class period, then a hyphen, and then last name, comma, first name. Class period allows you to easily sort. Last name, most things we do as teachers is sorted by last names of students. As I was saying, students will be placing all of their work or all their things they do in Google Drive in this folder. Instead of sharing every individual assignment, what we will do instead is share this folder directly. So students simply need to place assignments into the folder as they work on them. Once they're in the folder, me, the teacher, has access to it. I can view their work, I can make comments, and we can work back and forth with the student. So the first thing we did, we created it. Now we're going to share it. So we right click, share, share. And so now we are going to put in the teacher's email address. So teachertechtuts at gmail.com. Let me make sure that's the right one, because I am not completely sure. Yep. We put the email address in. I leave it at the can edit level. I would highly recommend that as well when working with students. I'm going to unclick this, and we are going to share and save. Skipping invitations, blah blah blah. And so now you'll see there are two people, the owner, which would be the student, and also the teacher. And I'm going to click Done. So this is the first step in the process. If we go back very quickly to my teacher account, and as a teacher in my drive, there's still the same 4 folders we saw when we started. What we're going to be looking at now is the shared with me, so stuff that's shared with us. And you can see there is the folder shared by John Smith in first period. You can see it's shared, it's got the little buddy icon. And so that's a good start. Now imagine every class period you have 30 students, you're teaching 6 classes a day. Things are going to add up very quickly. I'm going to show you in the next video how we on the teacher end sort this to make life easier on us.